Hi and welcome back to Cheeky Crypto. My name's Chris and it's fantastic to have you back with us for a crypto basics tutorial video. And today we're going to have a look at setting up a MetaMask wallet. There's several reasons why you might want a MetaMask wallet. One being you're entering a private sale, for example. You can't utilize an exchange wallet because the coins will be lost or the tokens will be lost. And the same, maybe you're setting up or purchasing an NFT for the first time, and again you can't use an exchange wallet for that. So really simple tutorial of how to set this up and how to do it safely. So yeah, make sure that you stay tuned, like the video if you enjoy the content and it's supporting you in the space, and subscribe, tapping that bell, selecting all the notifications so you never miss a tutorial or a crypto news event. So let's get down to the desktop. So first of all, what I want to sort of talk through is how to get to the MetaMask wallet. So the site name is metamask.io. I don't use search engines. I certainly don't click any links. I just literally free type it into the URL at the top of the Chrome browser, and yeah, it pops up straight away. Now it's really important that you're aware on social media platforms, MetaMask don't have a support team. When you write on an influencer's page, for example on Twitter, saying that you're having troubles with MetaMask, you normally get a scammer message come up offering you support as if they're MetaMask support team. That is just not a reality. It's a scam. Make sure that you don't click any links, and go direct to the website. Like I say, metamask.io, their support team is on the website, not on social media. So just to be really clear on that. So straightforward website really. We go down here, we'll go download MetaMask today. Now it's supported by Chrome, Firefox, Brave and Edge. We're using Chrome today, so we're going to click there. We'll add Chrome to the to an extension. We'll just add that there. It's just checking at the moment. Try to sync. Get started. So really simple stuff here. Okay, let's get you set up. We'll create a new wallet and secret recovery phrase. Connect wallet. Simple enough. Make sure that you've read through all of this information and that you understand. I agree. So we're going to create a password. I'm going to keep it really simple. There we go. I've read and I've understood the terms and conditions. I'm going to press create. So you'll get to watch a video. We're not going to watch the video on this tutorial, but feel free to make use of the video tutorial that they've got on here as well. I think that's really important to understand what it is that you're doing. But we're going to go next. Secret recovery phrase. Your secret recovery phrase makes it easy to back up and restore your account. So okay, so here's your recovery phrase. Now, if you click next, it's going to ask you to put these back in. So I'm going to do that now. Obviously, I'm just doing this as, I guess, support for you guys. I will be deleting this wallet, so it won't be a live wallet. So we'll just do this. Oops, if you do it right, let's start this again. So we're going to go there. Okay, so congratulations, your wallet is now set up, all done, and then that brings you to this screen. Okay, and you will see it at the top of your screen. You can't see it on mine, but you will see the logo for MetaMask, right? And then basically what you've got here is your actual account address. So you can press this and you can copy it. And then basically when you go to the exchange, this is the address you would put in to send Ethereum to your MetaMask wallet. So really, really simple to use. We haven't named the account. It's just set up as account 1. If you click up the top here, you got your details. You can go to settings. You can have it, depending on the currency that you want it to be in. We're going to keep it USD. You can obviously have it as a ETH as your primary currency, or fiat. We've got it in English. So yeah, pretty simple, but you've got all the different options here. It's not really something that we need to be too concerned with at this stage. I think, this video is just on how to set up your actual MetaMask wallet. That's your address, so you know where to send your Ethereum. Now, I feel that pretty much covers it for setting up the MetaMask wallet, and I will be doing a lot more MetaMask tutorial videos, like how to add assets and various other aspects, like for example, if you get a transaction stuck, how to resolve those issues and that sort of stuff. But really simple tutorial there. If you have any questions or concerns, mention me in the Discord. Link is in the description of this video to join the Discord. It's free to join. We'd love to see you there. Have a fantastic community talking about crypto 24/7. If you enjoyed today's video and you want to show some support to the channel, mash up that like button, subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, tapping that bell, selecting all the notifications so you never miss a video, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.